Hello guys, good evening po. Have a blessed Sunday po sa ating lahat. Ito po si Ray Reyes. Meron lang po akong isi-share. Siguro familiar na po sa inyo tong ganitong klaseng device or mga kagamitan. Usually ito is ginagamit for relaxation and for meditation. And then also ginagamit din to usually ng mga sinaunang tao, yung mga monks, saka yung mga present psychic natin ngayon. So ito po siya, meron po tayong singing bowl. Ayan, singing bowl po. It is composed of the bowl itself and also this mortar, the pestle or the striking stick para tumunog po tong bowl. So ito po isang Japanese bowl. Okay, actually maraming mga variation nito eh. Merong may yung very popular na Tibetan na singing bowl. Merong ano yun, usually made of ano yun, copper. Ito is made of stoneware, pero sobrang tigas, ang tibay, kahit na ibagsak mo hindi siya basta-basta mababasag. And this one is a crystal striker, yung pang ano niya, pang palo para tumunog tong bowl. Okay, so what is a singing bowl? So it is used for traditional meditation and relaxation and muscle regeneration. It's also pain reliever such as headache, migraine, or spine injury. Okay. It also helps the digestive system discomfort. It also improves blood circulation. It releases tension and a lot more. So what is the relevance for ano ba relevance nito, na importance, mga ganyan. So yun yung mga yung na-mention ko, isa yung mga yun. Actually madami pa. Pwede nyo namang i-search sa Google kung meron po kayong time, or sa YouTube pwede nyo rin i-search. So in addition, dadako tayo sa spiritual. So about this, ginagamit to for spiritual also, such as it connects us with the divine and experience a sense of oneness with the universe. So yung mga kilalang psychic, yung mga clairvoyant, yung may mga third eye, yung mga nag-aral paano gamitin to, is alam na alam nila yan. Alam nila paano yan siya gamitin, kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao is gifted with the third eye, and also merong mga clairvoyant, diba? Yung iba is dinidevelop nila on a certain reason, ganyan. Iba naman is kusang dumarating yung third eye or pagiging psychic nila. Okay. So may question na pwede ba tayong gumamit basta-basta ng singing bowl? For me is hindi. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi nga it is not safe to use the singing bowl because it causes sound vibrations and around. So meron kasi tayong tinatawag na mga body, tinatawag na yung body vibrations. So it is not really recommended for people with certain conditions. Okay. So it also create the kind of energy that may enter the center the frequency of the body, mind, and also the soul or the spiritual. Okay, so discuss about the singing bowls. Actually, saan ba to nag-originate? Saan ba siya galing? The singing bowl is originated in Mesopotamia over 5,000 years ago. So, before ang tawag sa Mesopotamian tawag before. Now is it's called the modern Iraq. Iraq na po siya ngayon, yung Mesopotamia. So nag-originate siya sa Mesopotamia. So along their way to the region, doon na nagkalat practices in the regions of Tibet, Nepal, and India, and also in Himalayan region. And what is the cultural significance of this singing bowl? Ayan, the dun sa mga gumagamit nito, so very important to. Usually yung gumagamit nito is yung mga Buddhist on their ceremonies. Okay, di ba yung mga usually yung mga monks nakikita natin sa mga meron silang mga rituals, di ba, ginagamit nila to as their medium to cast any bad spirits, mga ganon. Ayan, at kung ano-ano pa, and also for healing, ginagamit din nila tong singing bowl. So paano ba to ginagamit? So the logic behind this singing bowl, tumutunog dito is through friction by the use of this striking stick. Ayan, this crystal. So by either rubbing in or out and striking a singing bowl, it creates sound vibration. So example is ganyan. So yan, di ba? So meron siyang naririnig kayong sound vibration. Pwede dito sa loob, pwede din dito sa labas. Tapos ito yung patutunugin natin siya, papaluin natin yung striking. So here it goes. So yun, medyo ang tunog niya is malagting, yung meron siyang parang echo na maririnig mo sa tenga. So ito yung singing bowl. Hope you like it. At least na-discuss ko kahit koonti. Actually marami pa namang marami pang mga insights, mga additional info regarding this singing bowl. So kung gusto niyo ng additional information, mag-search lang kayo sa internet. Andiyan yan na madaming information. So hopefully nagustuhan po ninyo yung senior ko about sa singing bowl. So once again, this is Ray Reyes. Have a blessed Sunday po sa lahat, and be happy always. Bye bye.